At Wireless Support, we simplify mobile operations for growing teams. Since 2008, we've delivered smart, cost-effective wireless solutions that help businesses cut costs, stay connected, and scale efficiently. Our core services include wireless expense management, eliminating unnecessary charges and optimizing wireless costs. Mobile device management, MDM, securing devices, supporting teams remotely, and giving you full visibility and control. Device repair and protection programs, fast fixes and rugged protection to keep devices field ready. Device staging and kitting, fully configured, tested, and ready-to-use devices tailored to your team's needs with no in-house setup required. Amazon DSP Value-Added Service Partner, offering services that help their delivery service partners, DSPs, manage wireless devices and expenses efficiently. ServiceTitan Partner. We help HVAC, plumbing, and other field teams with the tailored wireless solutions to improve uptime, streamline operations, and ensure reliable connectivity. AT&T, T-Mobile, and Verizon Partner to deliver carrier-agnostic service and competitive pricing. For businesses like Amazon DSPs or AFPs, as well as HVAC, plumbing, and other home services companies, we offer special programs and wireless solutions to make sure your technology is ready to go without any hassle. From device setup to lifecycle management, we handle it all so your team hits the ground running. With wireless support, your wireless solutions are reliable, secure, and built to save money. Let's talk about how we can simplify your operations, optimize your mobile device management, MDM, and reduce wireless expense management challenges.